Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel at Lisa J's World. I am Lisa and today I have an unboxing of a special item. This is an item, I want to say it is a never say never item. Because I said never and I didn't like this item. As many times as I've seen this on YouTube, never liked the item. All of a sudden, the Dooney gods came down on me and I just had this overwhelming feeling and it was a good price. And for some reason, it was almost like when I said my last video, I said that I was waiting on the right item to purchase in a natural color. Even though I have the Barlow in the natural, but that is the city leather bag, the city Barlow in natural. So I have been waiting on my first natural bag in Florentine, and this came across the sale as some items have been, you know, showing up here and there that you have never seen before. Maybe you've seen before and they're showing up because now they keep running these sales on the outlet. And not so much Dooney, but more so on the I Love Dooney website. I've been noticing some things I've never seen before pop up here and there. They come and they go. And this is one of the items that popped up at the right price. And I am so excited. And I don't know why, because I said I never buy this bag ever. But first before I get into it, I'm going to show you what my bag of the day is. And also, before we get into all of that, I want to first thank all of my new subscribers to my channel. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I appreciate you. And if you're new to this channel and you like handbag videos, you can hit the subscribe button below if you like. If you like to get notified every time I upload a new video, you can hit the bell notification next to it. So let's get into it because I am so excited. I could not wait. I got someplace to go tomorrow. I'm not going to really have time to show it, so I had to do it tonight, and I'm just so excited. Okay, so first let's get into what I'm wearing, and this is the red pebble leather medium crossbody. I'm still rocking it with my outfit. I have this green thing that's, you know, going on lately. I've been wanting to wear green a lot, and I'm actually looking for an olive color bag. That's on my wish list. So that's my bag I've been wearing since I got her. So let's get into this unboxing. First, let me make sure I got the label, and I should have checked this before. I just remembered right before I was picking up the box. So I forgot that I still had the label on it, guys. Sorry. Tearing the box up. Okay. I cannot get the address part off the box. Okay. Anyway. That part is not showing. Okay. So here we go. Oh, so excited. And I just can't wait. I am stoked. So I can't believe I got this bag. I can't believe it. God. Oh my goodness. My voice went up. This here, ladies and gentlemen, my very first. I don't know if you can see. I don't know what it is. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is a heavy one. I mean, it's not that heavy, but it's heavy. Okay. I don't even want to open her. Okay, I'm gonna open her. Gotta open her. Everybody gotta see. It is. The thing is covering it. It is the natural color Clayton in the Florentine leather. Take a moment. I should have brought my stool in here. Oh, I gotta get the stool. Okay, guys, I have her on the stool so that we can just have her as the center of attention. I cannot believe I have a Clayton in my collection now. I'm looking at her. She is beautiful. Wow. There's some like little, there's some scratching, just slight, discoloration, possibly. But all of that is the natural, just the natural way leather is. And this is a lighter color bag, so I can imagine it would have some imperfections. Not enough to say, oh my God, I'm gonna return it. Like there's a scratch back there. Oh my, this is gorgeous. I cannot believe that I did not ever want a Clayton. I used to think this was ugly, and I don't know what happened. I got bit, guys. Clayton got me. Wow. This is, let's see, it says Clayton, and the regular retail price is $4.38. And with my loyalty rewards and the current sale going on, this is so nice. The tassels. I got her for $200. She's wrapped everywhere. She's got the tassel zipper in the back. That's a nice zipper. The red interior on the inside. Nice tassel lace flat. And the zipper tassel, it has the green inside. Oh, so pretty. The two pockets. I think what I did was I didn't hesitate in getting it when I saw it. For some reason, I saw it. It was natural, and you know, I guess it's just my color this year. So right after I went on ahead and purchased her without hesitation, when I realized I had loyalty points, and along with the sale you could use it, I went on I Love Dooney. I went on YouTube, and I'm looking for something to possibly sit her on. Maybe she could sit up a little bit more. It's not really sitting up all the way. Okay, so what was I saying? I was saying that as soon as I purchased her, I didn't hesitate. I went on YouTube and began to look at YouTube videos to make sure I had made the right decision. Ran across Honey is Naturals channel, and she has a video where she has a few Florentines, and she was talking about the Clayton, and she has this in natural as well. And I was listening to her. She said the same thing, and I think I ran across someone else. I'm not sure who it was that said the same thing that I said. I did not like this bag at first, and then all of a sudden, now I like it. So I don't know what that is. I think it was the Pecan Tan Beauty. Was it her? I think it was her as well. So I figured, man, I'm not alone. I'm not alone in this, you know? And now I look, the handles lay nice. I like that. I am just really taken back by this natural color, the Florentine, the character of the bag, the character of the texture of it. Wow. This is really gorgeous. So it has a adjustable, is it adjustable strap? I think it crossbodies. Oops. I think it does crossbody. Open this up. Okay. They know how to pack a bag. Okay. Okay, so it looks like okay, so only thing you can do is make this strap shorter. So it is adjustable. You can take the strap off the bag. I like that part. It has the Florentine leather. The suede, the green suede. I have to take this out because this is my first time, but I don't know how it looks on the inside, really. Okay, dust bag. Okay, so it's the standard Dooney setup. This zipper pocket is longer than usual. It's just as long as the outside zipper. It's about this long. It's about this long. And it has a slip pocket outside of it. And it has two long pockets, one more narrow than the other on this end. Oh, wow. Take all of this out. This bag has weight to it. Definitely has weight. So I can't see me really carrying this bag if I was just regularly everyday grocery shopping. I don't know, because it's kind of heavy. But it does have the crossbody feature, I think. Take this tag off. I think it could crossbody. Let me make sure. I'm gonna put it at the lowest. I like this double, the double rings that hold your strap down. I like that. And the bag has that. So now it's a little, I mean, it's still structured. It has nothing in it. And let's see how it looks crossbody. Okay, ladies. All right. Oh, looks like something hanging. Okay. This is on the last hole, and this is actually where I would have it. I love where it sits on my hip. Just cannot pack this bag. It has to be packed lightly in order to carry it. I am in love. I'll tell you guys, I am in love with her. So beautiful. Okay, I'm back. Oh, wow. Look at this. This is my new Florentine leather Clayton in the color natural. Just look at this gorgeousness. It is gorgeous. It has feet. And you see that discoloration there? That doesn't even bother me, because this is leather. So you're gonna have different characteristics. I learned that when I got my slate small satchel. That bag just grew on me. Now it's one of my favorite Florentines, even though it's pebbled. I love the character. And I'm going to love my new Clayton. I love her. She is gorgeous. So thank you guys for stopping by my channel to share this lovely new find. Stay tuned for my next video, which I have finally determined which bag I'm going to choose for Bag Ban Island, because we all know it's time for me to be on Bag Island. So I'm getting ready to pack up and get ready. And thank you guys again. And till next time, until next video, bye. Have a good weekend.